Hello everybody, hope all of you are well, and today we will discuss the characterization test of carbohydrates and proteins. Okay, so first we will take the sample. This is the dextrose anhydrous purified. I am taking some amount of sample in watch glass so that you can understand the physical properties. This one is the dextrose carbohydrate, or you can tell it glucose. As it is rotating the pen point right in clockwise, that is why it is called dextrose. And color of the sample is, here you see white, and if we see the crystal nature, it is actually not crystalline, it is amorphous type. And if we take the order, there is no order practically, it is orderless. And in laboratory you should not take taste, but we know that glucose is sweet in taste. Okay, that is why they are called sugars. And if we take some amount of this salt inside a test tube, and if we add water, so what we are observing, it is soluble in water, water soluble complex, okay, water soluble compound. Okay, now we will add more sample here. Now see, completely soluble in water, so this is water soluble. And taking this water extract of the sample, okay, what we will do, we have to add Fehling solution. So all of you know that Fehling solution we have to prepare by adding Fehling solution A. This one is the copper sulfate solution, and another is Fehling solution B. This is the Rochley salt solution. Rochley salt is a mixed salt that is of sodium potassium tartrate. Now we have to add these two solutions 50-50. That means 1:1 ratio. First we are taking this Fehling solution B, and then we are adding the same amount of Fehling solution A. Now see, deep blue color or inky blue color is coming. Now here copper in +2 state. Okay. Next to this solution, we will add this carbohydrate. That carbohydrate solution we can add here water extract. Now this solution we have to apply heat, or we can keep it in a water bath. Okay, here we are applying heat directly. Here you see the change of color. Slowly the solution is turning into brick red color. That means copper plus 2 is reduced to copper plus 1 and forming cuprous oxide. Now you see whole solution turns brick red color. What is happening here? Actually in this glucose molecule, this is an aliphatic compound and containing what? Containing aldehyde group. We know that aldehyde group, aliphatic aldehyde group will respond to the positive Fehling test. That means Fehling solution will turn into this brick red color. Here you see the color of the solution is brick red or brown. So that means the copper plus 2 state is converting to copper plus 1 state and forming Cu2O, cuprous oxide. That is why we are observing that brick red color. So by this test we can confirm the presence of carbohydrate. The aldehyde group is present inside the carbohydrate. Okay. So this is the brick red color.
Also, this is the water bath. If directly it is not possible, we can have water bath also. It will take certain time to wait in the water bath, but it gives uniform light. But time needed in water bath to heat is little bit more. So we have shown you by using applying of direct heat.
So we have the carbohydrate solution. Okay, water solution we have already just before this test. Okay, we have prepared this solution. So to this solution, we take this tube. This amount is sufficient. Now to this solution, dissolve that carbohydrate or glucose dissolved in water. We will add 1 ml lead acetate solution. We have added lead acetate solution, and then we will add 1 ml ammonium hydroxide solution to it. So we will add ammonium hydroxide solution. So what we are observing, that a white precipitate is formed, and this solution we have to boil. So we are putting it inside this water bath. As water bath is taking too much time, so we will take it out, and volume is too much, so we will reduce. We want to reduce this volume, little bit of solution we will throw, and this solution will directly heat, and we have to observe minutely if there is any change in color. Here we will add more ammonium hydroxide. You have to boil this solution. And according to theory, okay, it should come, or if this precipitated solution should turn into Solomon pink. That we have to check whether any light pink or Solomon pink color is coming or not. Now it is boiling. Again we will add some amount of ammonium hydroxide. We will apply heat.
Next day we will continue from here.